Here we are multiplying two decimals having different decimal places. 2.89 has two decimal places and 1.1 has one decimal place. Where do we put the decimal point at the end of this video? Stick around to the end of the video, you will find the right place. For the sake of ease, we introduce a 0 at this point to make it look like the one above. Remember, 0 after decimal place or after decimal points really does not have a value, but in this case it might be useful. So then we use the long multiplication method. 0 times 9 gives us 0, 0 times 8 gives us 0, 0 times 2 gives us 0. 1 times 9 gives us 9, 1 times 8 gives us 8, 1 times 2 gives us 2. We pick the last number. 1 times 9 gives us 9, 1 times 8 gives us 8, 1 times 2 gives us 2. We then have to add. 0 plus nothing gives us 0, 0 plus 9 gives us 9, 0 plus 8 plus 9 gives us 17. 1 plus 2 plus 8 gives us 11, and this becomes 3. If you follow through with the points like this, your answer will be wrong. So how do we place the decimal point in the right place? Go back to the question and check. This is two decimal places, 1, 2, and this is two decimal places, 1, 2. That makes it 4 decimal places. So let's count from right to left, 4 decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our final answer becomes 3.179. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tips. This is Maths with Ogali.